It's it's Torah witness, Torah promise, Torah true love promise, which I died for my Torah wife, Mashna's Torah. For Mashna's Torah wife, uh, Keheshki, you can say. I died for her. So for her I died, and I'm proving truth in the name of Torah promise for whom I died, including if you drink Dunvad, then you will understand that I'm not lying. Including earlier one, Jacqueline, Sunny, they know. If you drink both, you understand that I will not marry Niranjan Kaur. I confess and witness in front of you, including Diya too. And to prove that I am true and my promise is true, I'll be levitating from in the sky, or I'll just drop from the sky. And remember one thing: I will not keep any enemies of uh, me in my body. The simple sense, I am not playing a World War III game. World War III gamers has to be removed, whether be it Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Borashi, Anusari, one god of time, Sikh, Buddhist too. So you have to take action by calling them. But remember one thing: since they say they love me truly, they believe in me, I prove that they are words, and I will be keeping them. But in simple sense, I want to send them to their religious place. And you came to know truth now. Nakta is my wife, Nukta is my wife. It's not in their fate to be in Bollywood or Hollywood. They have to come in front of me. They are my genies, including Nazwata. So I will not let any of my genies to become bad because I have pawn certificate. I have a certificate Shahakas to even do sex with my daughter and marry them. So from Sky also. So I'm proving that I don't belong to Niranjan Kaur, Satnam Kaur, and Diya, Nida, that family at all. Please, if you are original, please remember I am not human. I am only God. The first, not confirming in the sense, I'm the first genie. In simple sense, first genie means first God. So if you don't listen to me correctly, you have to remove Hussein, Tiva or Tiga, their family, Bilqis family, Tahira family. They don't belong to me. That means they came, and what they did, you have to inquire, like in the X Files it has been done. I provide the links to one of my true love wife. And if you promise that before I did contract with only my Mona Lisa wife who appeared in Moon in alien ship. So I'm not playing game to confirm that all governments will report to whom? Narju. So you need to contact them, and if they are not, they say we have resigned, then simple sense you have to remove their genies, their religion genies. Thank you so much. Now can you please remove the cases? I said Torah is true just now. And I said Torah is true. And I won from the God. A challenge in your God. Are you understanding me? Challenge to your God. Means it's called, I'm not able to speak properly. Because when those Bakhtiyar family, genies comes, Hussein, who came to purposely prove that their God is true. They do something called pawn with some of my girl genies, and they put the pawn, the body in my face, and I don't stay in consciousness. I'm not able to talk since I'm kid. I'm kidnapped since kid. If you are God, if your family is true, I challenge, because the world war is finished. All countries report to Narju, so that is finished. So somebody is fooling in the name of Torah. Challenges until I die by saying, because they are in Bollywood, they are married to someone, they say, which is not, they are married to me only. And I'm going to Bollywood, Hollywood for 2 days. I'm Torah forever too. Let's see what is the truth now. If you don't take action, what will happen to the world? I proved something to the world few minutes ago, and I'm not word. I confirm I'm not word. You are free to delete Hussein Shah, Bilqis family, Muhammad Agha, and those Shia, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Bohra, Shia, Nusayri, Buddhist, and One God of Time genies who are in my body. Only my genius stays with me, which I proved and saved. Including, I will keep some genies from One God of Time, including One God of Time for that my wife, and some daughter and other family. So can you please remove the Narju after he resigned? I have original kids, of course. I'm not able to like after someone because Hussein Shah did some porn with some of my girl genies, and he became his body was a like looked like porn master, and he gave it to me. I was looking like a porn master. I did not, if I did not knew, if I was not in genie's world, I would have masturbated. I would have become bad. If I would have not taken action. Nobody tells my genies stableness means what, stabilizing means what, and I'm the only one who helps my genies. And what about truth now? Have I done any sin? Nukta is my wife. She is my wonder wife, including Nakta from Torah of Moses. You just say Charukul in front of Torah of Moses genies or Hashem family. They say I won. So keep just make a bot, keep saying to them if they don't understand. If they truly love me, please tell me what is the truth. Not about money. Just confirm what is truth. Who is Bilqis family, Shah Hussein, Muhammad Agha? I have wonder wife. If anyone do anything wrong to my wife, what will happen now? Now Narju has resigned, and he from the all countries, governments, Israel, Saudi, others, they say leave. Narju has left. Now they purposely say if Ahmed is alive, all will be finished. I'm genie, I don't die. I'm genie, I don't die. That means what? That means if a son, whoever says he's a son, tries to do sex with his mother or father, wife, will he be keeping that son too? Since kid, can you confirm Torah genies? I promise, I love you truly. I love you truly. Can you please confirm? I love you truly. I love her truly. Confirm. I love her truly. I confirm. Can you please confirm if I come in genie's world? Since kid, what is the status in Shia caste? Even I'm not Shia too. I am kidnapped in home. Somebody comes and fucks and leaves. And when I am on my religion, when I don't, I believe in my belief, because my first genie is Natkhas. I believe in my belief. I stay in my belief. What exactly happens? I believe in my belief. What exactly happens? I don't believe in anyone. And I'm Torah forever, Torah of Moses. The world comes to know that world has become bad because of me. Someone says Narju has played game, and someone comes and rapes some of the girl genies who are my wonder wives. He raped, not all raped. Now somebody accepting wish to delete me and my genies. In this sense, I give you permission to delete brute murder. Those who accept wishes, replets, or not Wani, replets, or anyone who says they are my family since kid. In Shia caste, Islam, Hindu, Sikh, Bohra, Shia, Nusayri, because they purposely came and raped me. I did not give them permission. I have not seen them. I have not heard them. Did you understand it? Can you please, if you love me truly, delete my original enemies, my Torah family? Delete Tahira too with his family by first going in the reality. I live with my genies. I bring the genies like this. Beautiful babe, American babe, or any babe I bring. I bring in reality, not about Torah of Moses. I bring Torah genie like this from my body. It is not of moon, Mars, sun, earth, western wall, original western wall, or original Israel, or original Egypt. I want justice now, motherfuckers. I want justice. My girl genies must be back with me. Just like you enjoy, or your God enjoy, I want to enjoy. I want to know what I did, that you are forcefully trying to punish me since kid. Because your God did mistake. You want to hide mistake now? I don't take sins and cases of anyone. I witness as being Torah, Torah forever, and first genius. First God according to genius. I love Torah truly. I'm enemy of Bhakti Art Torah.